On our way east from the Les Cheneaux Islands, we ran across the DeTour State Forest Campground. This campground is just west of the village of DeTour, right off M134. It's nestled among heavily forested trees and right on Lake Huron. Once you're off M134, it takes a little bit of time to get to the actual campground. There are a total of 21 sites. In general, these are smaller sites, but there are 3 that can accommodate a 40-foot rig.
Oh, these are nice campsites. So they can handle reasonable size campers.
Wait, yeah, they got it.
Holy cow, they got this Class A in there. Dang.
All sites are on a first-come, first-served basis, so no reservations.
It's all self-registration. Ooh, this is going to be tight for that Ford Class A. It's still doable. You get picnic tables and a fire pit. And a lot of space between each of the campsites, too.
There are no sites we found that had waterfront views. It looks like a short trail will get you there, though. We saw fish cleaning stations, a garbage area, and pit toilets. There's not a dump site, and there's only well water off a hand pump.
So if you can get schoolies and Class A's in here, you can pretty much get in here.
It's tight.
It is tight, but doable.
Well,
But if you like seclusion and the ability to have a pretty private beach at your back door, this is a great option.